Look at all these charms and rhinestones I got. Woo-wee! I'm excited.
Hey besties! Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into today's video. So today we will be looking at all the items that Temu let me pick out as PR. And I am going to do the video a little different again because I am popping each item's listing up on screen. I am going to let the video just play out and let you guys enjoy watching and vibe to some music and see all the goodies that I got to pick. I will pop back in as needed. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Overflow. I don't really know what song, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, my homeless soul. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what song, 'cause I'm a restless soul.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for so cheap and flex so D, sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you gotta pay it, now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the Cupid 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only 'cause you know you poppin', yeah. got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
I hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you are, be sure to leave the video a like and comment your favorite item down below. I'm very curious to know what you guys enjoyed the best out of this haul. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, please consider. I would love to have you join our Nail Bestie family, and we are getting so close to that 500 subscriber mark, and it will be giveaway time. I'm super excited. Whoever wins is going to get some great stuff. And Madam Glam was kind enough to help sponsor this giveaway, so that is super exciting. Also, I will leave everything from today's video listed in the description down below. And if you have not downloaded Temu yet, I do have a 50% off new user discount code for you guys. So be sure to take advantage of that. Well, that is it for this haul, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I am really enjoying these Vibe With Me videos. I feel like sometimes when I'm sitting here just explaining stuff over and over again, it can get very repetitive. So I'm trying to change it up for you guys a little. I really do hope you like this kind of video. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what you think. Check out the description for all these products. A super big thank you to Temu for letting me pick out these items as PR. And again, if you are not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button with post notifications on so you never miss a video, because we have lots of fun videos coming and you won't want to miss them. I promise. I have a super fun series I'm about to start that is very, very exciting. So smash that subscribe button. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!